Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ultra Xmagpot Bluetooth 5.4 transmitter receiver, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Multi-protocol seamless connection. The Bluetooth 5.4 transmitter ensures broad compatibility, effortlessly pairing with AirPods, all generations, Sony headphones, and other Bluetooth devices. The included 3.5mm audio jack and dual 3.5mm adapter expand connectivity options, making it compatible with most in-flight entertainment systems and TV audio outputs via AUX/RCA ports, an ideal Bluetooth transmitter for TV. Lossless CD quality audio. Precision engineered with Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.4, this advanced Bluetooth transmitter receiver delivers studio-grade aptX HD audio, a must-have among airplane travel essentials. Its adaptive frequency hopping maintains rock-solid connectivity even in congested areas, making it the perfect Bluetooth transmitter for airplane use. Experience pristine audio clarity with seamless bidirectional transmission. Wireless sharing, double the fun. Powered by Qualcomm's flagship dual-channel Bluetooth 5.4 technology, this advanced Bluetooth adapter for car achieves breakthrough 33 feet lossless dual-device sync. Two headphones share 24-bit/96 kHz high-res audio with low latency, a standout among plane travel essentials, while multi-link anti-interference technology cements its role as the ultimate Bluetooth airplane adapter. Delivering lab-grade wireless audio, it's perfect for travel, home theaters, and automotive use. Flagship-grade design. The aerospace-grade metal frame integrates with ultra-tough ceramic glass to create the ultimate Bluetooth adapter for TV, while precision mechanical buttons deliver satisfying tactile feedback. At just 50 grams, this premium airplane Bluetooth adapter for headphones redefines lightweight luxury, offering uncompromising durability without bulk. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.